Did you know that some companies pay you just for owning their stock? It's called dividends, and it's one of the easiest ways to make passive income. So let's break it down. Dividends are payments that companies make to their shareholders, typically from their profit. Think of it as a thank you for investing in their business. Not all companies pay dividends, but many big, stable companies do. Dividends are usually paid quarterly and are measured in dollars per share. For example, if a company pays a $1 dividend and you own 100 shares of the stock, you will earn $100. Many investors choose to reinvest dividends to buy more shares, creating a snowball effect that grows your portfolio faster. To find dividend paying stocks, look for stocks with a long history of payments, such as Coca-Cola or Johnson& and Johnson. Or you could invest in dividend-focused ETFs, such as SCHD or VYM. Remember, a high dividend yield does not always mean it's a good investment. It could mean the company is struggling. Dividends are a great way to earn passive income and grow your portfolio. So comment down below your favorite dividend stock or ETF, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips.